Okay, so what exactly makes the internet the internet? Is it the content we browse, the countless games and websites we visit, or is it the internet because of all of us, the global community, using it together? Long before the concept of the internet even existed, Julius Caesar introduced the Romans to the Acta Diurna, a set of official notes that were published daily, almost like newspapers. They comprised of simple pieces of information carved onto stone or metal tablets and posted on large message boards in public spaces. It seems primitive now, but our modern newspapers had pretty humble beginnings. Less than 2,000 years later, the first phone call was made by an inventor named Alexander Graham Bell, where he famously said to his assistant the very first words spoken over the telephone, "Mr. Watson, come here. I want to see you." And not long after that, John Baird invented the first working prototype of the black and white TV. Just imagine the look on their faces if Bell or Baird were shown some of our modern media platforms like Twitter or YouTube. We've come a long way, and we're making more progress in this century alone than any of the thousands of years before us. With the internet, we can access and share information on a global scale with little to no effort at all. With 500 million tweets sent every day and over 60 hours of YouTube videos uploaded every single minute, there is a wealth of information and entertainment that no single person can possibly run out of in their lifetime. You can learn, teach, or simply explore your curiosities. But arguably the most interesting part is sharing your experiences with others. It takes just a few seconds to hammer out a tweet to your followers, and probably even less to send a quick text to your friends. Our desire to share our experiences with each other goes back to tribal times. When our ancestors learned about dangerous places and predators, they would share that information with each other, allowing us to survive and thrive as a species all around the world. Thank you for watching, and be sure to look out for the next part of this series where we will continue to explore why it is we love the internet so much. See you in the next one.